Now basically, because our system's set up, we just get onto our one simple job, well not so simple job, of driving traffic to our squeeze page. When traffic goes to our squeeze page and users start signing up, then they'll be getting the autoresponders, they'll be getting the information they want, which you've been working very hard to put together. They will be, they'll be going through the system themselves. They'll probably be on your Facebook page by now as well. So now it's just a matter of getting users there in the first place. The first two methods I'm going to talk about in this video are your email signature and sharing out a bit of viral content. Now, your email signature, basically, when you send out an email, so I'm just going to open up one of mine. So that's the signature I've got at the minute. So just to show you, this is an email. I'm going to send it to myself. And you see what happens, as long as this works. Somewhere there we go, there's my email. And as you can see, it comes up like that. Now I've gone for a very graphical one, but what I can also do, I'm using a Mac. I'll also have the instructions below this video on how to use Outlook. If I wanted to drive traffic purely to my squeeze page, I'd go to Mail. This is on Mac Mail, Outlook's below this, Mail, Preferences, Signatures, this little plus button here, and I might make that something like, sorry, I need to highlight the email address I want to add it to. So in this case I'll go for my business one, and hit the plus. Instead of name and email address, you'll say free guide on building your business online. Check it out today, and then I'll put my squeeze page URL .com. And that's it. That's done. So close that. Now next time I send an email, new message, choose a signature there, changes it there, and we're going to say hi me, add content, thanks. Now that signature comes in automatically. It's there already, so you don't need to do anything to change that. It's basically any business emails you're sending out over the course of your normal day-to-day business, you'll automatically get that link going out. So I'm going to send that to myself again, so you can see what it looks like when it comes through. There you go. So it's right there. I can click on that and go to my squeeze page. Like I said, the instructions for doing that on Outlook are below this video, so if you're using Windows or if you're using Outlook, check those out. The next one I want to talk about is using viral content. Now viral content is basically, for example, someone posts up a video on YouTube or something and it becomes really popular really quickly. So I'm going to show you an example of how to use that. Again, in your normal, it's kind of basically, even before you've built your email list, if you've got a, you probably have got some email addresses in your address book, some kind of content. So then what you do, you create a second squeeze page. So basically you copy your squeeze page onto another page. If you're using OptimizePress, this is very easy because you can go to, this is my squeeze page, go to edit page, hit down here, there should be a duplicate button somewhere. Copy to a new draft, click on that. Now obviously you'll need to change that into something else, so maybe like squeeze page demo viral, call it whatever you want. And then what you need to do is you need to find something that's going viral on the internet already. So something like, so what I did was I googled for basically the most viral videos of 2011, which is basically the most popular ones. I found an article which lists them, which YouTube released. I'm going to go with this Talking Twin Babies one. And this is basically just two babies which seem to be talking in their own language. So then what I do now is I need to get the embed code for it, a tiny bit of coding here, hit the share button, As you can see, this video's got 62 million views. Hit the embed button. I need to copy this code here, so make sure it's highlighted, then hit copy. Then you can close that window, go back into your edit page, go into HTML view. If you want to put the video in the center, you can, so you put the center tags around it. And then between that, paste your video code. And then you want to put a headline. Now these are just the OptimizePress shortcodes, so you put something like, here's the video, here's a really funny video. Publish. Then we're going to check out what our page is looking like now. When this is done loading, there we go, that's done. Hit view page, loads in a new window, and here you go. Now the objective of this is you send out this link to your trusted contacts, people in your address book already, but it's on a squeeze page to your contacts. Tell them it's a great video. They might or might not already be on your mail, going through your autoresponders. If they're not, then by landing on this page, checking out this video, they're going to be more curious about it, and they're more likely to want to find out about it and maybe sign up. And the other thing is, because it's viral content, if they really like the video, they'll just if that email, I'm going to show you, they'll basically just forward it on to their friends. So let's say that is, I'm copying the link. Now I'm going to send a new message to, well, I'm not going to send it to all my contacts. I'm going to send it to me I'm going to send it to myself here, and then put all my contacts in the blind copy thing. So I'm just going to use my admin address. This is really funny. Hey guys, hope you're well. Check out this hilarious video of two babies talking their own language. Paste the URL into there. It's a nice, and just add something. It's a nice way to break up the working day. Something like that, something gentle, just to encourage them to click it, but not to encourage them to sign up. Catch you soon. And then if I want to change my signature to my squeeze page as well, then hit send. Now I should get this twice because I sent it to my admin address and I sent it to myself. So there you go. Then someone will click on that, get taken to this page, and this page loads. And the other thing is, they will then also, if they really like it, they'll forward it onto their own contacts. So they might say, check this out, LOL. And because you're going through your own contacts, and they're going through their contacts, you're going through trusted sources, so the click rate is much higher, and that drives traffic to the page, which has a video on it, which also has your own branding and promotion on it, and that means you are likely to get traffic and sign-ups through that system. So that is using email signatures, and that is also using viral content online to drive traffic to your squeeze pages.